What if I told you that your bathroom could feel like a five-star hotel? Without a renovation, without expensive marble, and without hiring a designer? Most people think luxury means a full remodel. But the truth is, luxury is in the details. It's in the lighting, the textures, the way the space makes you feel at the end of a long day. Your bathroom is the first place you go in the morning and the last place you visit at night. So why not turn it into a space that feels calm, elevated, and indulgent? Today, I'm sharing 10 simple ways to make your bathroom look more luxurious. Easy upgrades that make a huge visual difference, even on a budget. By the end of this video, you'll see your bathroom in a completely different way. Let's get started. 1. Enhance with mirrors. Mirrors are one of the easiest ways to instantly elevate a bathroom. Instead of a basic builder-grade mirror, consider upgrading to something with character, a framed mirror, an arch design, or even a backlit LED mirror. Larger mirrors reflect more light and make the space feel bigger and brighter. If you have room, adding a second decorative mirror on another wall can create depth and dimension. Luxury bathrooms almost always use mirrors strategically, not just functionally. 2. Incorporate plants. Nothing says spa-like luxury more than greenery. Plants instantly soften hard bathroom surfaces like tile, marble, and glass. If your bathroom has natural light, you can try plants like pothos, ferns, or peace lilies. If natural light is limited, high-quality faux plants can still create that lush, elevated look. Place a small plant on the vanity, hang one near the shower, or add a taller plant in an empty corner. Even one plant can completely transform the atmosphere. 3. Elevate your towels. Luxury hotels understand the power of great towels. Swap thin, worn-out towels for plush, high-quality white or neutral towels. White especially gives that clean, five-star hotel vibe. Fold them neatly or roll them and place them in a basket. You can even layer hand towels for a styled look. The key is thickness, softness, and coordination. Matching towels instantly look more intentional and refined. 4. Add metallic touches. Metallic accents bring subtle glamour. Think brushed gold, matte black, polished chrome, or warm brass finishes. You don't need to change everything. Even small details like a soap dispenser, toothbrush holder, tray, or cabinet handles can make a big difference. The key is consistency. Choose one metallic tone and repeat it throughout the space for a cohesive, elevated look. Luxury is often in the details. 5. Hang art pieces. Yes, art belongs in bathrooms too. Framed artwork instantly makes the space feel curated and designed rather than purely functional. Choose minimal prints, abstract art, soft landscapes, or black and white photography. Keep frames cohesive with your overall style. Art adds personality and makes your bathroom feel like an extension of your home, not just a utility space. 6. Change out your bath mat. Your bath mat is more important than you think. Instead of a basic microfiber mat, try a thick cotton rug, a woven textured mat, or even a small washable runner. Neutral tones feel elegant, while subtle patterns can add depth. Make sure it looks intentional, like a decor choice, not an afterthought. A plush bath mat under your feet instantly creates that spa sensation. 7. Upgrade your shower head. This one is both visual and experiential. A rainfall shower head or a sleek matte black fixture can completely modernize your shower area. Even replacing an outdated chrome head with a more refined design makes a noticeable difference. Luxury isn't just about appearance, it's about how the space feels when you use it. A better shower experience equals instant, everyday luxury. 8. Maintain a clean space. This might sound obvious, but it's the most powerful tip of all. Luxury spaces are clutter-free. Keep countertops clear. Store everyday items inside drawers or baskets. Use matching containers for cotton pads, soaps, and essentials. Shiny surfaces, clean mirrors, and neatly arranged items create that calm, high-end feeling. No decor upgrade can compete with a truly clean space. 9. Achieve luxurious lighting. Lighting changes everything. If possible, replace harsh white bulbs with warm, soft lighting. Layered lighting, like wall sconces, LED mirror lights, or even a small lamp, creates depth and warmth. Dimmable lighting is even better. It allows you to shift from bright morning energy to soft evening relaxation. Luxury bathrooms never rely on just one overhead light. 10. Use your bathroom decor accessories wisely. Accessories are where personality meets luxury. Think beautiful trays, elegant soap dispensers, glass jars, candles, small sculptures, or decorative boxes. Group items in odd numbers and place them on trays for a styled look. Keep colors cohesive and avoid overcrowding. A simple marble tray with a candle and a small plant can instantly elevate your vanity. The secret? Intentional styling. And there you have it, 10 simple ways to make your bathroom look more luxurious without a full renovation. Remember, luxury is about how a space makes you feel.
Calm, clean,
Intentional, elevated. You don't need to change everything at once. Start with 1 or 2 ideas, maybe new towels or better lighting, and build from there. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, which tip are you going to try first? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.